Sean from Hawaiian Turfgrass. Here we are today at our job site, and I just want to share with you how the importance of rolling before and after putting the grass down is very important. Check it out. So we were able to grade and level out this place with soil amendment, and we're about to, as you can see the footprints, we're about to grass this area, but before we grass it, we're going to roll before and after the area to semi-compact it, so we don't see footprints and divots. We just see even area. Check out how the roller made the ground semi-compact, so then that when you lay the grass, everything is level. Very important. Okay, here we are with the final roll, and check out how nice and level and compact that area is. Now we grow grass on the plastic, so when we lay it down, everything should be nice and level and smooth. What would have happened is if we didn't roll this area before, all those footprints and minor imperfections and divots would have made a lumpy lawn. Now that this area and soil is nice and level, when we put the grass down, when the crew does, it's gonna be really top shape. So with the right equipment, the right grass, and the right crew, you know, we're able to transform lawns. But I just want to share with you how important rolling is before and after the grass installation.